the cause of all my stress. You've been ignoring all my texts. It's getting harder to avoid that funny feeling in my chest. Can't help but wonder what's coming next. And I've been staying up and getting all worked up, yeah, until sunrise. Thinking about all the times you've gotten in my mind and all of your signs. Tell me honestly, what do you want us to be? No more fronting, 'cause that's gonna lead to nothing. Yeah. Ooh, and I don't know what to do. Yeah.
Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. 'Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby, no. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? It's getting a little bit out of control. The way you look so good without trying it out. And this addiction isn't good for my health, but I don't wanna spend another night by myself. 'Cause I know So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowing me? Why would I?
The inner top is from Mausoleum. It's a Korean brand. It's the first time we're receiving something from this brand, and I love it. And her bag is from Stand Uno. It is silver.
If I could tell you, I don't think you'd believe how long I felt this way. I'm begging you to stay. And if I could show you, I'd hope that you could see all the possibilities. There could be a place for you and me. And under the stars, you pack up your car, 'cause you're going far away from here. I wish I could stall, but I never call. And you're going all the way this year. If I could tell you, I don't think you'd believe how long I felt this way. I'm begging you to stay. Sure. heard you counted down from the weekdays. I could take you up, what do you say? We're going to the moon, are you ready? A hot air balloon, we can run away. And just like how you always make me feel, my temperature is rising to the ceiling. You're gleaming. Hope this bubble never pops, 'cause if it does, we're gonna drop. Baby, bring a parachute, 'cause this one's gonna hurt for sure, for sure. Take me, falling down with you. I never let you hurt yourself, yourself. Know that I'm down for you, know that I'm down, yeah. I'll stick around for you, won't let you drown now. Floating with you in outer space. Wouldn't wanna be in any other place. You hate the world 'cause you're so realistic. Weight on your shoulders, let me release it. Let me just be here. Never wanna ever leave your side. It's the only place I ever wanna be. So let me be here. Hope this bubble never pops, 'cause if it does, we're gonna try. 항상 처음은 설레이지 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름 위지 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게 내가 바보라는 것을 알게 되었어 참 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지가 쓰여낸 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서 널 기다리다 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아 Let's go out in the sun 느낌이 왔어 이 리듬에 맡겨 발걸음에 맞춰 Fly with the wind 이 분위기를 타고 날아가지 못한 곳을 데려가줘 Time after time 사랑을 몰라 말들이 너무 많아 우리 걱정은 마 나는 널 보며 지금 말해 이제 조금 느낄 수 있어 yeah. Alright this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you Alright this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you alright
언제부터 시작한지 잘 모르 baby 너의 예쁜 목소리만 잘 알아 baby 너의 말이 내일이 when the sun's up Maybe we'll make some memories It's all up to you Some say it's all a lie Maybe you got me hypnotized Cause they don't slow down We don't know where we are going I just need you right on my side On the ride, yeah
Alright, this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you Alright, this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you Alright wanna know what you listen to when you lay in bed alone. You got this sophistication. I hate when we talk through our phones. We have our hopes and our dreams, every little thing between. Maybe this can't be. I read the note that you gave me through the moonlight in my bedroom. A part to start, built on. Maybe must have started this too soon. Laying in my bed and I'm listening to Michael. Wishing you were here, we could lay for a while.
I'm getting older, but I still can't read a vibe. 'Cause my world is on fire, but we're saying we're doing fine. I never thought I'd make it here past 25. Ooh, but maybe I just overthinking and wasting time. 'Cause I don't wanna know if I'm better off alone.
found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I'll end up next, on the corner of hope. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little